Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. I pray you all are doing oh so great. On today's menu, we have one delicious piece of stuffed salmon, and here are the ingredients I'll be using today. What a piece of salmon, pretty. Wanna tell me? It is beautiful, looks so good. It's time to season it, so I'm going to pour some olive oil on it, and then I'll get to rubbing it all over these beautiful pieces of salmon to keep it moist while it's in the oven. So rub it in, rub it everywhere, flip it over and go in again. Throw some more salmon olive oil on it. Yes, and rub it down, rub it. So now I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. Rub that in, and then I'm adding some black pepper, roasted garlic pepper seasoning, this thing right here, and some hot chili seasoning. Okay, you don't know, you need a little kick to the thing, need to turn it up just a little bit. Yes, so rub it in, and now flip the salmon over and do it all over again, except the olive oil is already on it. So I'm going straight to the all-purpose seasoning and rub that everywhere, even on the sides of the salmon, because we need seasoning for the everywhere. Add some black pepper, hot chili seasoning, and of course, last but definitely not least at all, the roasted garlic pepper. And then pat those in, or rub it in. And I feel like adding some more roasted garlic, so that's what I'm going to do. And just like that, that's us. Done. Get us another small rub, and here it is, all done, looking so beautifully seasoned. So I'm just going to prepare my pan to put the salmon in. So I sprayed it with some oil because I'm going to rub some butter in the pan. So get your hands all nice and clean, because we are going to be rubbing away. I don't think I need to say clean hands, but anyway, so let's start the construction process up in this piece. So salmon, skin side down, and now I'm going to put some of my creamy garlic mashed potato on it. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll just link it down below so you can see how I made that deliciousness. And Vibes fam, even just for how the creamy garlic mashed potato alone tastes by itself, that alone sell off this, right? So just imagine pairing it with the salmon. No man, I want to take place with my taste buds them in here. No, Daddy Jesus. Why? So now that I add on the creamy mashed potato, it's time to put the next piece of salmon. Same thing, skin side down, on top of the mashed potato. So that's it. Make sure it's on there nice and firm. And now I'm going to just pour some parsley on top of it, just for garnish. So if you don't have it, just cut and go through. No penny that, right? Because it's really just for garnish. And finally, I'm putting some butter on top of it. The butter go on like say it don't want to work with me. Come on, man. Get on there. Get on there. Ooh. And that's it, Vibes fam. See it here, ready for the oven, looking so lovely already. The way that look good, I feel like for just stick it and just put it on the table and just sit down and look on it. Yeah, it looks so it looks so good already and it not even cooked. Anyway, so I'm going to put it in my preheated oven at 176 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. But guess what? Just watch it, because all of we oven are not the same thing. It might be 20 minutes in yours, while it's 25 in mine and 30 in someone else's. So Vibes fam, see we are all done. And the creamy garlic mashed potato is just busting through the side. Ooh, that looks so good. And Vibes fam, I'm gonna give you a 360 degrees turn, or maybe it's a 355. So you can see all of the bust out where take place and a go on pan the salmon. Yes. One thing though, even though the garlic mashed potato is busting out the side, like it now wear its size, it still look good though. No joke. She can look pan. I would see her at a restaurant and pre her. I would want to give her a small order. And make sure know say me a vision her from afar. Right? And I want her in my belly. So Vibes fam, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scrape off the excess garlic mashed potato from the side so that it can look, you know. So here it is. After I just smooth it out to the side, just scrape it off. Yes. So after I move all of the spillation, this is what it's looking like. And Vibes fam, trust me when I tell you guys, this is so delicious. I had this as a meal, same way so, and the tears just run out with beer excitement, because she did have to make me know say she is a big deal. Not as simple as but a big deal. By the way, comment down below and tell me, would you have this same way so as a meal, or if not, what would you pair it with? Let me know. This looks divine. This looks so good. I wish I could share. But I can't. So no pre-it. And I'm such a foodie, so I really enjoy these close-ups. I don't know about you. Comment down below and tell me, do you normally enjoy when I do this? So Vibes fam, I'm going to move it to a plate now, because I want to dig into it and show you guys what's going on the inside and how perfectly cooked it is. So let's dig in. Yes. Go in pan it video, girl. Vibes fam, uno vision this so perfect, not dry at all. It not dry out. Let's do the other side. Oh my goodness, just watching that is giving me all the feels and a piece of anticipation to see what's inside, even though I already know. Oh gosh, Vibes fam, wanna see that? Perfect. Yes, and delicious too. Thank you all so much for watching. Follow me on all socials. The link will be in the description down below. Thank you so much. God bless you.